Gooey, gooey. Oh. This is how to make the perfect toastie. Sliced cheese, and mayonnaise and a bit of oil. So let's start up by warming up this pan. Just going to add a drop of oil. Start with that. Rub it with some. Two slices. And start warming them up on one side. Now, as this warms up, we're going to get some mayonnaise. I'm running low here, but maybe I'm going to put some mayonnaise on one side. The reason for this is that this is the outer side of the toast, and since mayonnaise has an egg component in it, it will really crisp up nicely once it's on the heat. So now we're going to flip this over. That will be the outer side. Cheese. Goes in the middle. It's a bit gooey. More mayo on this side. And now that that's done, that goes on top. Now the reason I did this is because I warmed up the inside, which will help the toast cook. Gonna move it to the center. What I'm gonna do is flip it regularly. Now look at what the mayo did. The mayo immediately crisped up because of the egg component inside. It's getting a bit smoky, so let's open the door. Yep. Good from the other side. Give it a push. Beautiful. Lower the heat a bit. Get the cheese to melt. Prepare your plate. Flip regularly. Might even want to put another pan on it to help it to squash it a bit and close in the heat. Oh yeah, baby! Flip it over again. All right. Now it's toasting. 2 more minutes. We're done. At this point, I'm gonna switch off the heat. Just gonna let it a bit more on the pan to get crisp up a bit more. Crunchy, crunchy. So, I think I call that done. It goes in, cut it. Oh, nice and hot. Gooey, gooey. Oh. My God. exquisite. Absolutely delicious. Oh yeah, crunchy.